Okay, we're doing a review today for this EUKI dual dash cam. Once you get the package open, you've got all the accessories you're going to need. So this is your front-facing camera, and then this is your power source. This one here is going to be your rear-facing camera. And then you also get the tools to be able to install it. You'll need these microliners to put on your windshield before you stick the camera on. They've got little clips in case you want to use these to run them along the inside of your vehicle. They come with the 3M tape on the back. And then there's this little tool that'll help you fit the wire through the trim of your vehicle so you can route it to the power source. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our micro film here, peel this off the back, stick it onto the windshield here, and then our camera goes attached with this sticky pad onto that microfilm. Okay, and now that you've installed it, this is what it's going to look like. I chose to put mine right on the back side of my rear view here so that it'll be kind of hidden to my view so it won't be a distraction while I'm driving. Okay, next step, we're going to take the power source, grab that, and plug it right into our outlet here. And then once you do that, you can use the provided tool so that you can route your wire. I'm going to go along the edge here, under the glove box, and then up around the trim this way, through here, and then back over so I can route it right into the camera there. Okay, so I've got it all the way around. I have a little bit of excess here that would normally just dangle, but this product comes with these little clips that you can grab the wire onto, which you can see I already attached one here, and they're gonna help me so I can attach it up high and keep it out of the way. Okay, so that there is the finished connection. You can see the clip there. This is the rear camera installed. It's very low profile, I like that. Next step will be to scan this QR code and you download the Jarvis Cam app. Once you download the app, you go right up here and you hit the add camera. You go through that process and then you'll see your camera come up right on your phone. Once you download the app, this is what it will look like. Your camera will show up on your screen. That's the name of your camera. And you'll be able to go in and look at all the videos or snapshots, because this camera can also take stills. And you'll be able to have access to all that for whatever you need it for.
.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.